This is melamine on a hardwood ply core. Now, I know melamine has got a bit of a bad reputation, but stick with me because we're about to explore a superior version of this material. So, traditional melamine, or TFL, thermofused laminate, it's just another name for it, but it has a lot of great uses, like for building garage cabinets, shelving, storage stuff, work tables. Basically, it's great for things that you want to build quickly, that also has a tough outer surface without having to spend the time applying a finish, right? That's a good part about it. But melamine gets thought of as crap because it has a particle board core. It's just not the friendliest to work with. It chips out when you cut it. It's really heavy. Basically lacks the charm of working with real wood too. So imagine this though, you take all the good stuff, like that smooth finished, waterproof surface, the quick project assembly, the toughness, the scratch resistance, and now replace the particle board with something like this, a robust hardwood ply core. That changes everything. Suddenly you just got a much superior product. So I like to use this material for jigs, auxiliary fences, sleds, things like that. The slick surface just makes it a dream. There's sleds that slide on the table saw and auxiliary fences that allow your workpieces to just glide right through a cut. But the real magic is that the hardwood ply core answers just all of the disadvantages of using particle board. So for example, it's stronger for glue joints and screws. You're going to say goodbye to chip out when you cut it. Plus you can route these edges. You could also leave them exposed for that kind of a clean Baltic birch vibe. You can cut any joint you like too, like dovetails, mortises, rabbets, lap joints, miters, box joints, I don't know, you name it. And the kicker is that this is 30% lighter. So a 4x8 sheet of 3/4 inch particle core melamine weighs like 99 pounds, but our ply core melamine weighs just 67 pounds. So it's just way more manageable. So in a nutshell, you get all the perks of melamine without the headaches of particle board core. Once you try it, I think you're gonna like it. What's nice to know is, like, unlike particle core melamine, you really don't need to use specialty tools or fasteners for this. So I'm not even sure if you know this or not, but there are expensive blades made just for cutting melamine. And there are also specially hard to find screws called conformat screws that you should actually be using when you join particle board together. But neither one are necessary or even recommended for use in the ply core melamine. So it cuts nicely and cleanly with just a basic general purpose table saw blade. You don't get chip out like you'd get with particle core. In fact, if you use a melamine blade, you're gonna get burned edges in this material, so not recommended. And plus, regular wood screws are all you need when you're fastening this together. Melamine glue is designed to bond wood to a synthetic surface. So most of the time when you're using melamine, you want to use melamine glue. But because the hardwood ply core offers just more solid wood than particle board does, you're going to be just fine if you use regular wood glue with this. I decided to make a new straight line jig, and I chose this material because of all of its nice characteristics. So to keep the white laminate from chipping or peeling with use, I actually ease the corners with just a little chamfer. Now, a round over would work, or just hitting the corners with a few swipes of 120 grit sandpaper would do just fine too. So there's a little tip for you. Now let's talk beyond utility, because you can use this for some furniture too. I recently made a desk for my 16-year-old daughter, and this material, I feel like it just nailed it for the top. It's perfect desk surface. She's a teenager. She's going to, spill drinks, burn candles, who knows what else, but the beauty of this is that it's not just about its durability. I mean, I believe in giving her furniture that's a step or two above store-bought stuff, just not necessarily like a masterpiece or anything like that, but something better than average. I took this material, just trimmed it with walnut to dress it up, not claiming any design awards, but I think it looks great. It offered a satisfying building experience, and she really likes the desk. So in my book, this Melamine just gets a really big thumbs up, and I just wanted to share the news with someone like you who appreciates building projects with better materials. Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Mark. I'm from Woodworkers Source. So we sell woods like this to people like you. We ship it right to your door if you want to. Plus, you can come visit us at any one of our 3 stores in Arizona, Phoenix, Tempe, Tucson. At those places, we'll even cut this to custom size for you, whatever you want. So come visit us. We'd love to see you. Thanks.